What's going on, guys? Welcome to Chainsaws. This is the bowsaw class at the Manton Harvest Festival 2022. On the left is Beth Lagan. On the right, Levon Michelocci. The time in this class starts when the saw moves, ends when the block is severed. On the left we have Jill Bradle. On the right, Stephanie Morris. If you haven't done so yet, you should hit that subscribe button, like my video. Jill had a good cut there.
Good job. Timers ready?
On the left is Mary Reeder. On the right, Laura Helmick.
Come on, ladies. Come on, Mary. Come on, Laura. There you go. Give her fingers ready. 3,
On the left is Rhonda Helsel. On the right, Mandy Ari.
Come on, ladies. Come on. Come on, Rhonda. Go, Mary. Come on, Mandy. Cheer 'em on. They can hear ya. Nice.
And our final sawyer in the bowsaw is Danny Bradle. Again, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to build this channel and get you guys some better content. Thank you very much for watching.